Please subscribe, like and share and give comment to my video. Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Vedic Wonder Max. In this video we learn only the beads, values of the beads. So already yesterday I told one class. In that class I was discussed that we will take the value at white dot. This is the white dot. Here I will say the values of Abacus beads. These are lower beads and these are upper beads. Yesterday class I was discussed. Okay, so here this is 1, that is 1, this 2, this 3, 4. This is units rod. Units rod or ones rod. So here first bead 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next this is the tens rod. Units rod after tens rod. So this is the value of the speed is 10, 20, 30, 40. Once again 10, 20, 30, 40. And this rod is hundreds rod. So this one is 100, 200, 300, 400 like that. Again this rod is thousands rod. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000 like that. And this is the 10,000 places. So 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. Okay, now these are the lower beads and I will say about again lower beads once again 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 10, 20, 30, 40. These are 100, 200, 300, 400. Okay, like that. Here we will take the value at upper bead. This value is 5. What is the value of upper bead? This at the value of upper bead at ones place, units place. This is 5 and this is 50. This is 500 and this is 5,000 and this is 50,000 like that. So lower bead each value at ones place or units rod contains 1 and upper bead 5. Tens place each bead contain 10 value of the each bead contain 10 and upper bead 50. Here 100, here 500. Okay, I will give some problems now. What is the value? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we will only the value at units rod all beads are put. That one is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So units rod total value is 9. Next this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Next hundreds place 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900.